All right, let's look at this third example. It says find the determinant of C equals to of this matrix 4, negative 3, 5, 1, 0, 3, negative 1, 5, 2. In the first example, we looked at the first row. We used the first row to find the determinant. In the second one, we use the second row. Now, let's try out the third row. Now, we'll put our sign. This is plus, minus, plus. Just like we have, always make sure that the signs are in order for your cofactor expansion. So this becomes negative 1. So determinant of C, we have negative 1 as the leading element in the row we are using. Negative 1. Why it ought to be positive, but because this negative 1, we cancel out the positive, so that's why I have negative 1. So let's cover this and this. So we have 0, 3, 0, 3, 5, 2 as a 2 by 2 matrix. Now this is negative 5, the second element there, negative 5. Cover what is up, cover what is side. I have 1, 3, 1, 3, negative 1, and 2. And the last one plus 2. Then cover what is here, cover what is here. I have 1, 0, negative 1, and 5. 1, 0, negative 1, and 5. That's how to do it. Whatever you pick the number here, you cover what is on top of it. And what is, oh sorry, what is on top like this and what is by the side. Okay, this is, sorry for this first one, there's a mistake there. For this first one, look at it, you cover what is here and what is by the side. So here should have been negative 3, 5, and 0, 3. The same thing with this, cover what is here, what is on top of it, and what is by the side. So I have 4, 5, 1, and 3. 4, 5, 1, and 3. 4, 5, 1, and 3. So always confirm. I almost made a mistake there. This is 5, negative 5. Cover what is on top of it and what is by the side. So you have 4, 5, 1, 3. And the last one, 2. Cover what is here. So this should have been 4, negative 3, 1, 0. 4. I made a mistake. 4, negative 3. 4, negative 3, 1, and 0. So don't make that mistake. Don't fall into that trap. Sometimes your intuition will tell you that something is wrong there. So make sure to confirm. Just like I knew that I arranged it wrongly. So look at it. This how to know. Block here. Block here. This. If I'm taking 5, block here. Block what is by its side and what is up. It's okay. So let's continue. So this becomes negative 1 into bracket determinant of this times this, that's negative 9 minus 0, 5 times 0, that's 0, minus 5 into bracket 4 times 3, that's 12, minus 5 times 1, that's 5. Then we have plus 2 into bracket 4 times 0, 0, minus, open bracket, minus negative 3 times 1, negative 3. So this becomes minus 1, negative 9 times 0, minus 0, negative 9. Then minus 5, 12 minus 5 is 7. 7. Then you have plus 2, 0 minus 3, that's 3. So this becomes negative 1 times. So the determinant of this matrix, determinant of C will be equals to negative 1 times negative 9, that's 9. Negative 5 times 7, 35, negative 35. Then plus 2 times 3, that's 6. So we have that 9 plus 6, that's 15. So that's negative 35 plus 15. That will give us negative 20. So the determinant of this matrix is negative 20. You can use the other rules to confirm